In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on AnyDesk in just a few quick steps. This is a simple setting, but it can make a big difference if you want to use AnyDesk in your preferred language and make the interface easier to understand. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open AnyDesk on your computer. Once the app is open, look for the menu icon in the top right corner. It usually looks like 3 horizontal lines, so click that to open the main menu. From the menu options, select Settings. In some versions, you may see a small gear icon next to it, but either way, you want to open the settings area. After that, look at the left sidebar and click on the General tab. This is where AnyDesk keeps a lot of the basic app preferences, including the language option. Now, scroll through the general settings until you find the language drop-down menu. Click on it, and you'll see a list of available languages. Choose the language you want to use from the list, and AnyDesk should update the interface to match your selection. In some cases, the change may happen right away, and in other cases, you might need to restart the app for the new language to fully apply. That's all there is to it. You've now changed the language on AnyDesk and made the app easier to use in the language you prefer. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick tech tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.